Welcome to the 133rd edition of the Indian Oil Durand Cup 2024, organized by the Indian Armed Forces and supported by the Government of Assam and the Bodoland Territorial Region. We are in the Sai Stadium in Kokrajhar for match number 18. It's a Group E clash where Bodoland FC take on Odisha FC. We're about to get underway. The conditions will be slick. The conditions might be slippery, but Bodoland FC cannot afford to slip as referee Lalit Singh Rawat gets us underway here at the Sai Stadium in Kokrajhar. Odisha FC playing from left to right in their all-red kit, and Bodoland will attack from the right to left in their yellow and blue kits. Bodoland take this corner to the edge of the box, and the shot is coming, and it's scraped the side netting. Joe Aidu measured it up, and it almost beat Neeraj Kumar, who was scrambling. Gibson takes it with his left foot, and the ball is slammed into the advertising boards with some force as Pungte came flying through a crowd of bodies. That was a half chance for Odisha.
There was no reaction from any of the defenders. Look at that corner. Absolutely brilliant done over there.
Afoba looking for options. He's taken a shot, and that was not too far away. Surprised everybody.
Really, what an angle that is. Look at that. Nobody there to attack him, and he tries to put the curler. But lovely was the ball pounding in front of the goalkeeper.
Very interesting to see how that change now decides Bodoland's gameplay, as that has been headed into the path of a Bodoland player who slotted it home to give them the lead. The home side has hit the frontier, and it's number 14, Diliram Sannyasi, who's given them the lead in this all-important game as the home fans erupt. It's 1-0 to Bodoland.
Very right. He controlled the ball pretty well, and that's a defensive error, like I would say. It could have been cleared very easily, but was he on the offside position on the far end? Was to watch, but now very calm. His first touch was absolutely brilliant to get that goalkeeper just up begging. Wonderful goal.
Very calm finish. He didn't try and blast it. He found the far corner, and Bodoland now have something to defend. The cushion header is wonderful, but Odisha got their mitts on it. It's been tipped over the bar. The shot from distance.
Yeah, one thought Neeraj did extremely well, because that was dipping at the last moment and he was off his line. He should be careful about that.
He's going for the jugular here. He does not want to hang around. Too early substitutions and two attacking substitutions at that, as that is pulled to the edge of the box. It's been spread wide again. The cross is good. It was on target, the shot, but it did not trouble the goalkeeper as he gratefully grasps that comfortably.
Well, any part of the body would have done. Just a simple tap in. What a great ball in. But failing to get that was Rahul Mukhi. He's the one who is on the right side of 20. And this was almost a regulation catch for Brahma.
The game is entering into that phase where Bodoland now have a cross, and that would definitely be a huge miss. A huge miss.
Yes, that run was perfectly timed and such lovely 1-2. But one felt that Mitinga was fractionally offside. If he had even converted, I think the line official would have waved him off, because he was just slightly ahead of the last line of defense.
Press the accelerator, which has come loose for a bit as has been carried out into the wide area by Bodoland. Chopped in. The shot has just whistled past the post.
Yes, that was a little body feint.
Are looking to keep the ball here and perhaps score a goal. That'll earn 3 points for them, as that is a magnificent through ball. He's one-on-one and the shot has been dragged wide. There was the moment and an opportunity to perhaps seal all 3 points.
Could you believe it? How could he miss it from that? What a great pass that. Balanced his body properly. But again, was it inches away? Wasn't it?
Ball's played through on the right, and the cross has come in, the header has come in, and the goal indeed has come. And it has come in a moment which young Arjun has grasped with both hands. It's 2-0 to Bodoland, and they're on the cusp of 3 points as the home side are within touching distance.
This is the one that the Bodoland were looking for. Great ball sneaked in from the right, and again this left wing back position was vulnerable and perfectly positioned there. What a lovely cross, that lovely setup, and Arjun in the right position. And look at that cross, the 2 substitutes coming into play, and what a great finish.
As they come forward in search of what can be a third goal. Acres of space open. If the man on the right is spotted, he is spotted. The touch is decent, but Neeraj comes out, makes a great save, and that would have been completely over for Juggernauts had that gone in.
And one finally felt that they ran out of ideas. It often happens when you have too many options. You just lose the track, and Neeraj did so very well to come out of his line.
That free kick was close. It was very, very close. It shaved the side of the goal post, did that free kick. They'll move into third place behind Northeast United and behind Odisha.
Yes, perhaps due to the goal difference that they had. Right now, if this score stands, they would finish with 3 points from 2 matches, and the goal difference would be 0.
It's been turned away by Northeast United, who also have an important game to play against Odisha. Pallab, one that perhaps might decide the fate of this group. The Highlanders will, of course, take on Odisha FC in an important clash, as Bodoland will play BSF.
But at the, if you look back, again, the Juggernauts beating the border security force by 5 goals to 0, that could be instrumental in deciding what could be the final outcome from this group.
Gibson a bit frustrated as he's asking the Bodoland FC players to vacate the space in front of him as he lines this up on his left foot. We are into borrowed time and stoppage time, 29 meters away from goal, this one. Goes for it, Gibson, but it's straight down the throat of Daoga Brahma, and that perhaps will be it. The referee has his whistle in his lips, and he blows out.